Ka-Wais, give me 1 minute, and I'll show you the easiest way to save more pesos on your monthly expenses. We all know how important it is to manage our spending, right? Yet one day you just found yourself wondering where did you get the extra cash only to realize you forgot to pay the electric bill. Sometimes it's not easy to keep track of everything. The problem is, overspending and unexpected bills can leave us struggling at the end of the month. The solution? Separate your spending money from your bill money. Have 2 separate accounts. This way, you can clearly see what's allocated for your expenses and what's left for discretionary spending. By doing this, you'll avoid confusion, stay on budget, and have a much better grip on your finances. For example, you can allocate 60% of your income to bills and essential expenses and keep the remaining 20% for fun activities, treats, and 20% for retirement. This simple hack will make sure you're always in control of your money. So start today and watch your savings grow without sacrificing the things you love. That's how you become a money-savvy Ka-Wais.